Hello students, welcome back to class. We are doing chapter number 5, square and square root. In square and square root, we are doing exercise 5.4. Exercise, this is exercise 5.3. And question number 6. What is question number 6? For each of the following numbers, find the smallest whole numbers by which it should be divided so as to get a perfect square number. Also find the square root of the square number so obtained. In this question, we have to find out one smallest whole number by which we have to divide our given number so to obtain a perfect square number. And after that, we have to find out square root of such number so obtained. Okay, see, first part already we have discussed in last video. We will factorize 252 given number, and after that we will check whether these all factors are in pair or not. There we got 7 is that smallest number which is not in pair. So we will divide our given number by 7. After dividing by 7, we will get one number which will be one perfect square number. I told you there divisibility rule of 7. Now 252 must be divided by 7 because 7 is that smallest whole number by which we have to divide this number. And now we got 36 as a quotient. Now 36 is a perfect square number and square root of 36 is 6. Let us do next part. What is second part? Second part is 2925. Start dividing. Last digit is 5. It is divisible by either by 3 or by 5. Divide by 5. 5 5s are 25. Then remainder is 4. 5 8s are 40. And then 5 5s are 25. Further we can divide with 5. 5 1 5, again 5 1 5, 5 7 35. Now this number is divisible by 3 because sum of these individual digit is 9 and 9 is divisible by 3. Divide 3 3s are 9 and 3 9s are 27. Further with 3, 3 1 3, 3 3s are 9, then with 13. Let us check out these factors. All factors of 2925 occurs in pair. You will write factors of 2925 are 5 into 5 into 3 into 3 into 13. Check out pair. 5 is in pair, 3 is also in pair. But this 13 is not in pair. This 13 is not in pair. So this 13 is that smallest. 13 is the smallest whole number by which we have to divide our given number. 2925 by 13. Let us divide 2925 with 13. 13 2s are 26. Then remainder is 3. Carry down 2. 13 2s are 26. 3s are 39. 26. 12 minus 6, 6. Again carry down this 5. 13 5s are 65. Now, what we got? We got 225. And now find out square root of 225. What will be square root of 225? It is square of 15. So, square root of 225 will be 15. Let us do next question. What is next part? Next part is 396. 396. Divide by 2. 2 1 2. 2 8 2 9 18. 2 1 2. Then 1 remainder. 2 9 18. 2 8 16. Further it is divisible by 2. Divide 2 9 18, 2 9 18. Divide with 3, 3 33, then with 3, 3 11, divide with 11 1. You will write factors of this 396. Factors of 396 are 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 11. Further, you will check pair of whether these factors occur in pair or not. This 2 is in pair, 3 is also in pair, but this 11 left unpaired. So this 11 is the smallest whole number by which we have to divide our given number. Divide 11 3s are 33 and 11 6s are 66. Now we have to find out square root of the square number so obtained. So we got 36. What is square root of 36 is 6. Let us do next part, fourth part. What is fourth part? Fourth part is 2645. 2645. Divide with 5. 5 5s are 25. Then remainder is 1. 5 2s are 10. 5 9s are 45. Further, it is divisible by, check out divisibility by 3. 9 plus 2 11. 11 plus 5 16. 16 is not divisible by 3. Divide it by, check out its divisibility by 7. I told you what is divisibility rule of 7. What is double? Do the double of unit digit. It will be 18 and subtract it from the remaining digit. What will be answer? 12 minus 8 4 and 4 minus 1 3. So this also not divisible by 7. Now check out divisibility with 9. 18 52 minus 18. 12 minus 8 4 and 4 minus 1 3. 34 is not divisible by 7. So it is not divisible by 7 also. Let us check with 9. 9 5s are 9 also not divisible by 9 also. Check with 23. 3 3s are 9. 3 2s are 6. Then 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. 9 5. It is 12. 529. This number is divisible by 23. It is square of 23. 23, then divide with 23. Now see, all factors of this number occurs in pair except the factor 5. So 5 is that smallest whole number by which we have to divide our given number. Divide it by 5. 5 5s are 25. Then 1, carry down this 4. 5 2s are 10. Then 4, further carry down this 5. 5 9s are 45. What we got? 529. And also find out square number of such numbers obtained. 529, its square root will be 20. What will be square root of this number? 23. Let us do next. Next part is 2800. Fifth part is 2800. Factorize it. 2 is 2, 2 4 is 8, 0 as it is. 2 7 is 14, 0, 0 as it is. 2 3 is 6, 2 5 is 10, 0. Then 2 is 2, 2 7 is 14, 2 5 is 10. Now this number 8 and 5 13 not divisible by 3. Divide with 5. 5 3s are 15. Then 5 5s are 25. 5 7s are 35 and 7 1s are 7. Let us check out whether factors are in pair or not. This 2 is in pair. This again next 2 is also in pair. This 5 is also in pair except this 7. 7 is not in pair. So 7 is that smallest whole number by which we have to divide our given number. Divide by 7. 7 4 is 28. Carry down 1 0, then 0, next 0. What is number 400? Also find out square root of such numbers so obtained. So what will be square root of 400? Answer is 20. Answer is 20. Let us do next part. Square root of 400. How you will find out square root of this 400? You can again use division method. This factorization method 400. It's 200, then 100, again 50, and then 225, then 5 5s are 25 and 5 1s are 5. This 5 is also in pair, then 2 and then 2. It is 5 to the 10, 10 to the 20. Square root of 400 will be 20. Let us do next part. What is next part? 1620. It is 1620. Start factorizing. 2 8 is 16, 2 1 is 2, 0 as it is. Then further 2 4 is 8, 0 as it is, 2 5 is 10. Now 5 8 is 40 and 5 1 is 5. 3 2 is 6, 3 7 is 21. Again 3 9 is 27, 3 3 is 9. 3 is in pair, this 3 is in pair, this 2 is in pair, this 5 is unpaired. So this 5 is that smallest whole number by which we have to divide our given number. We have to divide this given number. Divide by 5. 5 3s are 15. 1 remainder carry down to 5 2s are 10. Then remainder is 2. Carry down this 0 and 5 4s are 20. So answer is 324 and it is square root of 19. Let us find out it is square root of 19. 324 divide with 2. 2 1 is 2, 2 6 is 12, 2 2 is 4. 2 8 is 16, 2 1 is 2. Then 3 27 and 3 9 is 27, 3 3 is 1 3 1. This 3 in pair, this 3 is in pair, and then 2. 3 into 3 into 2. 3 3 is 9, 9 2 is 18. 18, sorry, 18. It is square root of 18. 364 will be 361 will be of 19 and 324 is of 18. Okay, this question we have completed. What was question? First of all, in this question, you have to factorize given number and after that you have to check all factors whether these are in pair or not. If you will get any factor is unpaired, then that is the smallest whole number by which we are going to divide our given number. And after dividing which quotient, which number we will obtain, we have to find out square root of that number. Let us do next question. Next is the student of class 8 of a school donates rupees 2401 in a whole for Prime Minister's National Relief Fund. Each student donated as many rupees as the number of students in the class. Okay, what is this statement? Each student donated as many rupees as the number of students in the class. Suppose in your class 30 students are there. Number of students are 30. Number of students are 30. Then each student will denote one student. Each student will denote 30. Next students also will donate 30. How many number of students are there? They will donate same number of same rupees. They will donate same rupees. Each student donated as many rupees as the number of students. If in your class 30 students are there, then each student will donate 30 rupees. So let us simplify this question. Let the number of students in your class is Rx. Let number of students in class 8 are X. Number of students in class 8 are X. Each student donated rupees X. If in your class X students are there, then each students are going to donate X rupees. Now amount, total amount donated, you will write donated amount. What will be your donated amount? One student is donating X and they are X in number. So amount of donation is X into X, X square. What will be amount of donation? X into X, X square. According to your question, this amount of donation is given 2401. 2401 means this total student of class 8 of a school donated. This is the total amount of class 8 they donated for Prime Minister Relief Fund. Okay, you consider number of students in 8th class are X and each student is donating X rupees. Now, what will be your donated amount? Means total donation will be X into X. You are X in number and each student is donating X rupees. So it will be X square. But according to question, it is given this total donation is 2401. So how we can simplify this one? If taking square root on both sides, taking square root on both sides, this square to square will be cancelled. How it is? This x root meaning is x raised to power 1 by 2 and then it's square, then it's square, then it is x power is to power is given, then power will multiply. This 2 to 2 will be cancelled. Answer is x. Now we have to find out square root of 2401. X is equals to square root of 2401. Now already we have done many questions related finding square root of the given number. How we can find out square root of this number? Let us factorize this number. Start dividing. Number is divisible by, it is 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 1 7. Not divisible by 3. Check out divisibility by 7. 2401. You will do the double of this last digit. It is 2. Then 240 minus 2. Answer is 238. Again do the double of this 8. Double of this 8 is 16 and subtract it from the 20 remaining digit. Answer is 7. So 7 is divisible by 7. Now this number is divisible by 7. So divide, start factorizing, divide with 7. Divide. What it will be? 2401, 7 3s are 21, then 3, 7 4s are 28, then 2 and then carry down 1, 7 3s are 21. It is 343. Further it is divisible by 7. You can check with the divisibility rule of 7. See, divide. 7 3s are 28, 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35. So 7 4s are 28 and then 28. What will be remainder? 6, 7 9 ja 49, 7 9 ja 49. Then again 7 7 ja 49, 7 1 ja 7. 7 is in pair and this 7 is also in pair. So what will be square root of 2401? 7 into 7. Answer is 49. Answer is 49. So what is this x? X is number of students and number of students are 49. Number of students are 49. Number of, there we can write number of students, we got 49 and each student donated 49 rupees. Each student donated 49 rupees. So in 8th class we got number of students are 49 and each student is donating 49 rupees. Let us see next question. Next is 2025 plants are to be planted in a garden in such a way that the each row contains as many plants as the number of rows. Each row contains as many plants as the number of rows. Suppose there are 10 rows. There are 10 rows. Then each row contain as many plants as the number of rows. So in first row, second row, third row, fourth row up to 10. This row will contain 10 plants. Second row will also contain 10 plants and third also 10 plants. If 10 number of rows are there, then in each row you will get same number of plants. Same number of plants. So let us see how we can solve this question. Let us consider number of rows in a garden are x. Let number of rows in a garden are x. The number of plants in each row will be number of plants in each row will be x, because how many rows are there and each row contain that much number of plant. And suppose if this garden containing 10 rows, then each row will contain 10 plant, 10 plant, 10 plant and 10 plant. Okay, so what will be the total number of plants? Total number of plants in garden will be, there are x row and one row contain x plant. So total number of plants will be x square. Total number of plants will be x square. But according to our question, this x square total plants are given to us 2025. 2025. Applying square root on both sides. Applying square root on both sides. After applying square root on both sides, what we will get? X square, its square root and square root of 2025. This square to square root will be cancelled. Now x is equals to square root of 2025. Now find its square root. Let us find out by factorization method. 5 4s are 20 and 5 5s are 25. 5 4s are 20, then 0, and then 5 5s are 25. 5 8s are 40 and 5 1s are 5. Then 3 27, 3 9 and 3 3s are 3 1s are 3. This 5 in pair, 3 is in pair and 3 next to 3 is also in pair. So its square root will be 5 into 3 into 3. So its square root will be 5 3s are 15, 15 3s are 45. 5 3s are 15, 15 3s are 45. So there are 45 rows in a garden. There are 45 rows in a garden and each row contain 45 plants. And each row contain 45 plants. Let us do next question. Next is, find the smallest square number that is divisible by each of the following number. We need to find out smallest square number which is divisible by this 4, 9 and 10. We are going to do this question in 2 steps. In first steps, I am going to find out smallest number, and after that I will prove that if it is not perfect, then I will make it perfect square number. Then my question will be completed. How we can find out smallest number which is divisible by 4, 9 and 10? That will be their LCM. So I need to find out LCM of 4, 9 and 10. Smallest number which is divisible by 4, 9 and 10 is LCM of these numbers is LCM of 4, 9 and 10. What is 4, 9? LCM of 4, 9 and 10. Divide 2 2s are 4, 9 as it is, 2 5s are 10. Then 2 1s are 2, 9 as it is, 5 as it is. Divide with 5, 1, 9 and 1. Then divide with 3, Again, it is divisible by 3. It is 5 twos are 10, 10 twos are 20, 20 twos are 23s are 60, and 63s are 180. 63s are 180. So LCM is 180. What is the LCM of 4, 9 and 10? 180. We got LCM 180. Now my first step is completed. I got that smallest number which is divisible by 4, 9 and 10. Now second step is I want to make it, I will check it whether it is perfect square or not. If it is not perfect square, then I will make it perfect square number. Start factorizing. Let us check whether, to check out whether this 180 is a perfect square number or not. I will factorize it, and if all factors occur in pair, then it is perfect square number, otherwise no. Divide 2 9 ja 18, 0, then 245, then 315, 3, 5, 5 and 1. Let us check out factors are in pair or not. You will write factors of 180. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. All factors are in pair except this 5. If I will multiply my given number with 5, then I will get one perfect square number. Perfect smallest square number will be 180 into 5. 18 5s are 90, that is 900. 900 is that smallest perfect square number which is divisible by this 4, 9 and 10. Okay, let us check out this question again. What was the question? Find the smallest square number that is divisible by each of these numbers. First of all, I'm going to find out smallest number, and smallest number will be the LCM of these three numbers. And LCM of these three numbers is 180. And now I'm going to check whether it is perfect square or not, because I need smallest perfect square number. So check it. I factorized 180. I got that these two factors, 2 occur in pair and this 3 also occurs in pair, except this one 5. One factor is unpaired. So if I will multiply my given number by 5, then I will get smallest perfect square number which is divisible by 4, 9 and 11. Let us do next question. Next is find the smallest square number that is divisible by each of the numbers 8, 15 and 20. Question is same, and we are going to do this question also in 2 steps. First I'm going to find out smallest number, and what is the smallest number? LCM of these three numbers. Smallest number which is divisible by 8, 15 and 20 is LCM of 8, 15 and 20. What will be LCM of this 8, 15 and 20? Let us find out. 8, 15 and 20. Divide with 2. 2 4 ja 8, 15 as it is, 2 10 ja 20. 2 2s are, then 15 as it is, 2 5s are. Divide with 2, 15 and 5. Divide with 5. 5 3s are 15, 5 1s are 5. Divide with 3. 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20, 20 2s are 40, 40 3s are 120. So what is the LCM of these three numbers? 120. LCM of these three number is 120. Now see, I want to check whether this 120 is perfect square or not. Let us factorize it. 120. 2 6 are 12, 0 as it is. 230, then 215, and then 3 5s are 15, 5 1s are 5. These all factors, it is, this 2 is in pair, this one more 2 left unpaired, this 3 is also not in pair, and this 5 is also not in pair. So what we can do? We have to multiply this 120 by 2, 3 and 5 to obtain a perfect square number. Multiply 5 2s are 10, 10 3s are 30, 120 into 30. 5 2s are 10, 10 3s are 30. Multiply, it is 3600. What is number? 3600. So this is perfect, smallest perfect. It is perfect. It was 120 into this 120, smallest perfect square number is 3600. This 3600 is the smallest perfect square number which is divisible by this 8, 15 and 20. Let us take one quick revision of this question. Find out smallest square number which is divisible by these three numbers. First of all, find out smallest number, and smallest number will be the LCM of these three numbers, and LCM of these three numbers is 120. Okay, after that we will check whether this is perfect square or not. For checking, we will factorize it, and after that we will check whether factors are in pair or not. We got these factors unpaired. So if we have to make this perfect square, then these all factors, its all factor must be paired up. Okay. Now 120 into these three factors were unpaired. So we have to multiply the given number by 2, 3 and 5 to obtain a perfect square. Thank you.